Samoan word ingi means finger picking or finger plucking. Yeah, when you pluck something, ingi. So when it's for the music, it's finger picking, finger plucking.
The Ingi Samoa obviously came from the island of Samoa. It has country and folk elements to it, but a very tropical way of presenting it.
The Ingi in Samoa is where it originated from, Samoa.
I grew up and my dad used to teach me his Samoan Ingi, which is you open it, you play as the ordinary key, which is a C.
Samoan people took it up, and it's now become a very famous Samoan identity.
When I was a little kid, I would quite often go to socials with mum and dad, sit on the side of the stage where the steps are, and just sit there, lie there all night watching and listening to the band. I guess that's when I heard the Ingi. I probably didn't know it then until I just kept hearing it years and years later.
Probably when I was 5 or 6, my father introduced me to the sound. I think that was my first introduction to music besides Michael Jackson.
If you listen to that chord, that riff, it's very similar to bluegrass riff. Very similar to Deliverance, the Deliverance movie. That dun 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 dun.
Very, very, very similar to country music.
And it's made up of 3 chords, C, F, G. And it's easy if you follow the strum the way we're going to do it now. C, F, C, G, C, F, G, C, complete. And then we repeat it. C, F, C, G, C, F, G, C.
And then you've got to add the Ingi itself, which is the main motif, the lick, the guitar lick. F, C, F, G.
Hey, congratulations, guys. Now you know the basics to the Ingi Samoa. So just practice. To fast and forth, have time.